This is Windows 10. Is it? This is Windows 10 Pro. Okay. So like this, and here also like this. Okay. So now I'm going to install two Windows at a time. Okay. Windows 8.1 and this Windows 10. So insert the disk. Okay. Restart the PC. So F8 is boot menu for Asus motherboard. Boot menu, Asus motherboard. In H61 50. Okay, check here. So now I'm going to this one. So I'm going to select what type of partition. If you don't know, then what you have to do is that I'm going to select randomly any, whether UEFI or legacy. Okay, so I'm going to UEFI first of all. Okay, press done. So here it's not working. It's not working, so we're going to change again the BIOS setting. You can check from here. Okay, you can touch from here, search and type system info. Type the system info. Type system. Type system info. Wait. Okay, that now. Okay, so system information. Okay, check from here. Now refreshing your system information. Clear. So what type here is BIOS mode is legacy. So legacy, that means it support what type of partition? MBR. So it have one system reserve. Because this is BIOS is legacy, or you can check from here for more details. You can check from manage. Okay. Because it's got one system reserve in legacy, that is MBR partition. But in UEFI it support that GPT partition that have 3 system reserve. So let's check here whether we have one system reserve or 3 system reserve. It should be one system reserve. Go to disk management. Then here see system reserve, we have only one. Okay, and this is the system reserve. Okay, this is your C drive. Okay, this is system reserve. Okay, that is 500 MB. This is system reserve of a Windows 10. Clear. So now you reset again. I'm going to boot in legacy reset. So I'm going to press F8 for boot menu. F8, directly hit F8 key. So now not going here again, we'll change to this one, SATA DVD. Enter and hit any key. So go with 64 bits, enter. My language is English. Okay, install Windows, then click Pro, and here install an update net framework, activate Windows permanently, then enable, then manual partitioning, because we already have a Windows there, manual. So here understand everything, this thing. Yes. Done. So now we're going to this one file is there, is it? In E drive file is there, so I'm going to use this one as my Windows 8, because here there is no file. Okay, here file is there, so I'm going to use this one as my Windows 8.1. So I'm click on format. Okay, I'm not going to format to the C drive. Okay, this is C drive. I'm going to use install to different drive. So I'm going to use this one as my Windows 8.1. So after that you go to next. That okay. See here, we already get now that is Windows 8.1. Here is your Windows 8.1. Is it? Here is different and here is different. Clear? So now I'm going to restart or restart this, shut down first this computer. I'm going to shut down this computer. When I start, it will appear to Windows. Start. Okay, I'm going on Windows 10 now. Clear? Page is done. 10. So you're going to check with what Windows is one. Is this Windows 8.1 or Windows 10? You can check from here. Now it's Windows 10. Is it? Clear? So you confirm that this is Windows 10. Clear? So now when you open this drive also, still loading. This is Windows 10 and this is Windows. This is there is a file in this drive and this is your one is Windows 8.1. So this is the file. Clear? So now what I'm doing is that I'm going to remove one Windows, okay, so that when I start up it will start up directly without any option. Okay, I'm going to remove Windows 8.1. So here what you'll do is that press Win plus R, then type there msconfig, msconfig. Here startup, okay, not startup, boot. Here it's called boot. We have one Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. So I'm going to uninstall delete Windows 8.1, or you can set up this for default also. Set up this is already default, but I'm going to delete the Windows 8.1. So I'm going to delete. Now apply. Okay, so now I'm going to restart this one. So now it will not show anything, it will directly start up Windows 10. Clear? Then again, so this is Clear? So that